This model kit review is of the Maisto, it's by Maisto, 1/24th scale model of the 1967 Ford Mustang GT. Obviously this is, looks like it's been modernized, so it's more like a resto-mod. But these are one of the, supposedly skill level 2. Can't imagine why it wouldn't be a basic level. Here are the parts that you get, and some pictures of the finished model. So it definitely looks like it's a resto-mod. This is a metal body kit. Let's have a look and see what we get inside. Comes with a screwdriver so you can put the body on. We'll start off with the body here. It's a very nicely painted body with our lights here. The hood does come up. It's pretty ugly inside though. And they've already added these plastic parts here. Looks like our doors will open and close, although very badly. Looks almost like a Lamborghini door there. It's not very well made. And then the trunk does open as well. We've got our rear lights and some chrome parts. Here we have our chassis. This is the underside of the chassis with our drive shaft, and we've got some metal axles. We've got the trim on the side has been added. Here is our cockpit with looks like our handbrake and stick shift, as well as our fire extinguisher. Central console has been painted. Here we have probably some nitrous boost and a steering wheel. If we can get that out without breaking it. You might need to cut that out. Wow, this is really in there tight. But here it comes. These parts are going to come out as well. Those are quite nice. We have lots of parts here. And looks like we have two different options for wheels. Here are the insides of the doors with some speakers, nicely painted. This looks like probably the trunk with maybe some additional, more modern sound system or something. Here are our, looks like our exhausts. I'll have to look and see. Those do look like exhausts. We've got some harness seat belts. And then air intakes maybe. Here are the tires. We've got large ones for the back and small ones for the front. It's quite a difference. And then we've got some chrome options if you want, or chrome with black. It's a nice addition there. These are quite tough to get out. There you go. Very nicely painted. Here is our instrument panel, dashboard, and our pedal box. This is our engine bay, which is all chrome and badly painted. We've got our seats here, which are made out of rubber, and they've been painted like that. That's interesting. We have brakes. These are disc brakes here, and these, I guess, are our Brembo brake calipers. And we've got our license plate, our side mirrors here, and some screws to hold it all together. Here are the side mirror reflectors. Let's have a look over here at our instructions. So we start off by putting the doors on the inside and the engine bay in there. Next we put in the dashboard after assembling that. Next we've got our boost as well as seats going to the cockpit. Looks like also maybe a roll bar and harnesses going on. That's then mounted onto the chassis. The trunk's added, the brakes and brake pads as well as the wheels. Next we've got our exhaust system, and then it's all finally screwed together. So snap-tite type of kit, no painting obviously required and no glue.